Has your driveway or parking lot cracked and deteriorated from years of weathering? If so, then you are probably searching for a professional asphalt paving contractor who can give it a smooth surface that looks great without a high price tag. Brazos Paving has over 23 years experience in the resurfacing industry, so they can replace your driveway or your entire parking lot and do it right. They tackle large jobs and small ones with the same old-fashioned work ethic that has given them a reputation of being honest, hardworking, and reasonably priced. In fact, Brazos has some of the best asphalt paving prices in all of Texas. When you work with Brazos Paving, you get professional results every time. So if you're located in the Azle, Texas area, and you are looking for driveway paving or to have your whole parking lot resurfaced, call Brazos Paving at 1-800-ASPHALT. They are happy to give you a free on-site estimate, and they can get the job done fast. That number again is 1-800-ASPHALT, or you can give them a call locally at 817-757-2507.